MTDCNC are in Nuneaton today. We're at XYZ Machine Tools. I've come to look at this machine behind me here, which is a 500 LR. If you like our machine tool reviews and you like seeing the latest in machine tool innovations, subscribe to the channel, bottom right hand corner of your screen as we speak. Why this machine? Well, back to basics in a lot of senses. Every engineer needs a milling machine, a vertical machining centre. Sometimes you don't need a meter in the X-axis or 600 in the Y. Sometimes a compact machine like this is ideal, as long as it can do the jobs that you need it to do. Well, this one probably can. In fact, we're going to put some cutting footage over the top of the video that was shot earlier. You'll see it in action. Quite surprised at the speed and the power of such a small machine. You've got 8,000 or an 8,000 RPM spindle on this. You've got a 12 station carousel. A working envelope is just over 500 in the X and 400 in the Y, but the table is slightly bigger than this. It moves at 20 meters a minute, quite a fast, nimble machine, as you'll see by some of the cutting footage we've put over the top. All driven and powered by the Siemens control. This is the 828 control here on this machine. The point of the LR range is they're the linear rail models. XYZ introduced them less than a couple of years ago. They do their heavy duty range and they do their LR range. The LR range is fast. It's very, very competitively priced. It fits into pretty much all machine shops, and that's why we wanted to review it today and see it in action. It also weighs 2.5 tons for a small machine, quite heavy duty as well. But you can find out more about what comes with the machine, some of the options that are available if you visit XYZ Machine Tools website at xyzmachinetools.com.